And the roper, all in front, is taken by Counselor from the outside. Moving up now is Pedro Penduko. It's now Pedro Penduko leading the pack by some 2 lengths, followed now by Sailing Away. I love this game, Counselor, perhaps love. Then followed now by Pleasant Girl. And going along for the first turn, Pedro Penduko leads by some 2 lengths, Sailing Away, moving up now. I love this game. And running by with perhaps love, then followed now by Counselor Pleasant Girl. Rushing up is the real thing. Entry number 3, You Belong to Me, Be My Lover, and Speed Admiral. And passing the half mile, Pedro Penduko, I love this game, not the outside, perhaps love, moving up by Ruela, Sailing Away, the real thing, Counselor, 3 lengths back, You Belong to Me, Be My Lover, Speed Admiral, while Pleasant Girl now running in a tail of the field, inside the last 600, rushing up, Sailing Away, now from the outside, followed by Pedro Penduko, and running now in third is Counselor, I love this game, perhaps love, Be My Lover as they swing for home. It is still Sailing Away, leads by some 2 lengths. Counselor running in, second running by with Pedro Penduko, moving up, Be My Lover on the outside, I love this game, and finally it's all Sailing Away. Followed by Counselor, the real thing, Be My Lover, Pedro Penduko. I love this game.